Hi Virgo, welcome back to Omkara Tarot, and let's do your last love bite for November. So, Virgo, these are general collective readings, will not resonate with each and every one of you. So, take what works for you, okay? Leave the rest. So, let's begin. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for Virgo and send them the messages they need to hear the most at this time. Thank you. So Virgo, as always, we're going to start with a blessing from our angels. Let's see how the angels want to bless you or guide you, and then we'll do your tarot. So, blessing or an advice, spirit, my angels, for Virgo. Blessing or an advice, please. Blessing or an advice for my Virgo gang. All right, this one. Thank you. Let's keep the rest back, Virgo, and start your reading. Card I get for you, Virgo, right now is don't compromise. Okay, be very mindful of whatever you're doing, and if somebody is trying to come and stop you from achieving your goals, I think take back your power and don't compromise on what you want right now, because you are on the right path. I mean, this card wouldn't have come otherwise. My angels would have not told you not to compromise if you were doing anything wrong, right? That means you're on the correct path right now, Virgo. Stand tall and do what you are doing because it's the right thing to do. Don't let anyone deviate you from your path. So let's see why this card is out here. We'll get to know in a minute. I think that Tarot will clarify that for us. And if you let me just welcome back all my subscribers. Welcome back. Thank you for being here. Thank you for supporting the channel. I'm very, very blessed to have you all here today. Thank you from the bottom of my heart. And if you're new here, we welcome you to our Omkara family. Do join us, subscribe to the channel, and become part of us. We welcome you in. So Virgo, this is going to be a simple 9-card spread just to check on your energies, and we'll take some guidance if required. And if any of you are looking for a private reading, you can reach me. My email is in the description box below. With that said, Taurus, let's begin your reading. And at the bottom of my deck, I have a card of the 6 of Pentacles in reverse. So yes, there is, you feel things are not balanced, maybe in your workspace or with people around you. There's a little lack of equal give and take here. And that's, I think, concerning you at the moment. And no wonder the card of no, don't compromise came. Yes, I do see you heavily at work here, Virgo. But maybe you're not getting what you deserve, as, you know what I mean, lack of reciprocity and lack of equal give and take. So the cards I have for you, Virgo, right now are the Hanged Man, Queen of Pentacles, 6 of Cups, Page of Wands, the Star, the Devil, Knight of Cups, the Magician, and the King of Wands. You going places, Virgo, here from what I see. You are going places. Yes, right now you are kind of a bit stuck here. You're a bit stuck here. Maybe you don't feel very grounded at the moment. Something happened which has kind of broken your heart almost, and you are in a kind of a stuck place right now. We are trying to see, maybe figure out, get enlightened about the truth maybe. And you think things have just not gone the right direction. Maybe you were hoping they would go one direction, but they went the other direction, and that kind of is making you feel stuck, and you're feeling that things have really stagnated here. And I think right now you feel kind of healing your heart and saying, all right, let me see the higher ground or whatever. But this hasn't really made you feel very grounded. Yeah, I have the 6 of Cups with the 6 of Cups here. So this, you could be dealing with somebody who you've known for a very long time, maybe a soulmate, or maybe the kids involved here, or this is somebody who you feel has been with you for a long time. And even though they are in your life, or you feel love for this person or these people, you still feel, like they don't do right by you. Sometimes you feel you don't have the best memories now in your memory bank where these people are concerned, because they've keep you very unbalanced and ungrounded. I do see you healing though. Yes, you are. You may be even telling this person that hey, listen. Maybe you find this person a bit controlling, like a dictator, and I think you are not. You're also telling this person that hey, I need balance, I need peace in my life, and you're searching for that on your own. But there is this little bit of devilish energy around you, and you feel you need to make a choice. It's your peace versus the chaos, right? It's almost like you're choosing between calm and peace and healing, and the choice is between that and dealing with a lot of chaos in your life. Okay, so what's this devil spirit? What's this devil? Yes, right now I think you want to speak your truth, I think, here, and you want to put up some boundaries. I think you're being very clear in your communication here. You are saying it the way it is. You are telling this person that, hey, I don't believe you, and you are bringing nothing but false promises to me. And if you don't stop all this, maybe I'm going to walk away from you. I'm going to put my barriers up. But I do see that, this confusion is going to end soon. Yes, somebody has become quite restless over maybe whatever you've told them. Now I think the confusion may just get over because this person is coming towards you, I think, with an apology or a sorry or some new promises, I think, and it's trying to kind of create that illusion for you that things are going to be well. Maybe this is somebody who's very selfish in your life, Virgo. But yes, this person wants a reunion with you. They don't see any happiness or growth without you. They don't want you to fight them at all, and they want you around. They like you. They see you as a go-getter. What's this? This could be in a relationship here, Scorpio, maybe in the household. You feel, I have too many players here actually. There is somebody here who's very, very angry and upset and is feeling the lack of love because somebody in this dynamic is very immature and is not bringing love to the table here. And somebody is realizing that there is not equal partnership, things are unequal. Like when I see a Queen of Wands in reverse and a King of, like, this is an unequal thing, right? To have this is an equal match, but look at them, they're on different pages. One is in reverse, one is upright. So there is a lot of immaturity around you, Virgo, right now. This is immaturity, which is not allowing you to feel this love in its highest place. So even though I think somebody is again re-promising you things, wanting to have a restart, you're really not sure whether this can work out again. So let me just take 3 cards of advice. What should my Virgo gang do, Spirit, now? What should my Virgo gang do? What should my Virgo gang do now? What's the advice for them? Keep your boundaries up, Virgo. That's, I think, what Spirit is trying to say. Focus on yourself, focus on your abundance, and sooner or later, you will see a huge transformation coming to your life. So what's the 7 of Wands, Spirit? 7 of Wands. Yeah, it's time to focus on yourself, onto your journeys. Don't let anyone stop you here, Virgo. If somebody is trying to pull you back into something which doesn't work for you, I think you have to keep your boundaries high up now and take that fresh leap of faith that you've always wanted to, right? You have been trying for a long time, but each time you do, I think somebody, because of their own selfish needs, I think pulls you back in. 9 of Pentacles, Spirit. Yeah, somebody is keeping secrets from you. They're keeping you a little hazed out where you don't know what the truth is, and you feel that in your heart and mind. You know that there is nothing going to grow here, right? So Spirit is saying focus on yourself, focus on your happiness, focus on what you want now. Your abundance, your new journey, it's yours. Don't compromise your happiness for somebody else. What's this death card, Spirit? Death card? Yes, there is somebody in your life, Virgo, who doesn't give you clarity, who's always made you feel like a loser. I think it's time now to release this energy if possible, okay? Bring in a transformation with this death card. Put an end to the old way of things, and it doesn't have to be that you have to release a person or a partner. Virgo, if you've been doing things the same way, I think you can change the way you did things in the past so that you can keep growing. Don't allow this person to give you any false promises which can hamper your growth at the moment. All right? So don't compromise on what you want, because you are on the right path here. Okay? So that's all I have for you, Virgo. I hope it resonated with you. If it did, do leave a thumbs up to let me know. And I'll see you soon. Love and light. Namaste.